Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up and made my bed. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my daily vlogs. You guys are the best, and you guys, I can't thank you enough for watching my vlogs. It really motivates me to make more vlogs, because if somebody doesn't watches my vlog, what's the point of making the vlog, right? So please watch my videos and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and start today's day. So one of my viewers, she was asking me about my daily skincare routine, and today I will show you what I do in my morning routine. So here we go. So I always start with my face wash. Today I'm using Garnier Skin Active Anti-Blemish Soap Free Gel Wash. It is good for sensitive skin with imperfections. So let's wet the face first. And I just take a tiny little bit of this. It is in clear color, you guys can't see it, but it is really nice, you know. It doesn't burn your skin or anything like that. That's why I love it. And it is so free, and it doesn't leave your skin, you know, dry. It also says same thing in the package. So that's why I got this one, and I have been using this for 2 days now, and I'm loving it. So let's wash the face. As you guys can see, I only washed my face with cold water and the soap went away very quickly. That's why I love it. It is soap free and it doesn't dry out your skin, so that's why I love it. I just like to pat dry my face like this. So now I'm gonna apply some toner, and today I'm using simple toner for sensitive skin. It is 100% alcohol free, and that's what you exactly want in your toner if you don't have any acne or pimples. Cause if you have acne, it's better for you to use alcohol products. Alcohol products tend to, you know, cure your acne and stuff like that. So definitely try alcohol toner if you have acne, but if you don't have acne, you definitely want to try alcohol free. So I just like to open it and add a little bit of toner on this cotton pad and apply it like this all over my face. So I've just finished applying my toner. So now I'm going to apply my Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Anti-Aging SPF 15 cream, and this cream is so nice. I had lots of flaky skin around my nose and around my chin area, and after applying this cream, it just went away. That's why I love this and highly recommend you guys. And this moisturizer protects your skin from heat and sun because it has SPF 15. Apply it very nicely onto your skin, and voila. So that's everything, guys. That's what I do for my morning skincare routine, and my skin has changed a lot after this. By just applying this moisturizer also, my skin was so much better. But I recently started using this toner as well, and it does help. My skin has become so much healthier and I just love it. You guys also do take care of your skin, because your skin is also really important. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this short skincare video. So I'm gonna put the heater on for the hot water, and I know I just filmed a skincare video for you guys, but these are the things I do for you guys, so please give me a thumbs up. It's going to be super sunny today, guys, so I'm gonna do my laundry today. Wow, look at that. It's super sunny and I love it. Let's put this inside the washing machine. Eating the same brekkie like yesterday. Egg toast, tomatoes, mushroom, hash brown and sausage. Delicious.
What it be, what it do, dog? Today, I am doing my very first boxing.
The last bite is the best bite.
So I just took my shower and right now I'm also applying a sheet mask. I forgot to mention, but I also apply sheet mask and clay mask on my face and it does help. So definitely include this also on your skincare routine. मसँग चाहिँ कति धेरै टिकाहरु छ, so I'm gonna wear this, guys. It is so beautiful. It has so many colors and I want to wear this one today. Oops. It looks so pretty. It also has a rhinestone in here and it is in teardrop shape. I just love it. I used to buy a lot of tika when I go to Nepal. If you guys want to see my tika collection, then let me know. I have a lot, to be honest. By the way, this is my makeup for today. I'm wearing blue smoky eye. This tika goes so well with this makeup, and red lips. Love it. So I just finished chopping my salad. And today I'm eating leftover spinach, pork achar, carrots, cucumber, red peppers, tomatoes and some rice. Look at this, my delicious and colorful lunch is ready. Yummy. Wow, I'm about to hit 52,000 subscribers and I just can't believe myself. You guys are the best, because when I started uploading videos, I never imagined that I will hit over 5,000 subscribers, you know, and right now I have almost 52,000 subscribers and it does means a lot, guys. Thank you so much for encouraging me and love you all. I don't know if you guys know this, but Siri Devi, she passed away last night. I saw the post last night and I was like, nah, it can't be true. It must be some sort of rumor or, you know, public stunt. But it was true. I woke up this morning and I saw lots of posts on my Facebook saying that she just passed away. It is really heartbreaking. She was one of my favorite Bollywood actress, and rest in peace, Siri Devi. Life is too short, guys. Love what you do. She lived her life the way she wanted. Love your loved ones. Enjoy every single moment and live your life happily. That's what I'm gonna say, cause I'm out of words and I cannot believe this happened so quickly. She was only 54 years old, I believe. So yeah, really sad news. So guys, आज एकदमै sunny day छ, so I'm going out and I'm gonna chill outside. I'm also taking my pillow and my Hello Kitty blanket with me and rest over there for a while. I'm also gonna take my MacBook Air and my iPad and use the internet. It's lovely out here. I'm gonna put my stuffs in here. I also got this mat from Nepal and it is waterproof. So nice. Look at my setup. I'm gonna chill over here for a few minutes and then go back inside. What a day, guys. It's so nice over here. I'm also wearing my blanket. It's kind of breezy, but I love it. Can you hear the birds chirping? It's so peaceful and relaxing. I just came inside, stayed there for around an hour, and yeah. Whoa, someone is here, guys. I got a package. I know what is this, but it is a surprise, so I can't show you guys. I forgot to show you guys this cute Hello Kitty piggy bank on my yesterday's video, 50 random things in my room. I picked it up, but I forgot to put it in the vlog. I just love this one. Isn't it cute? I got this one from Chinatown and paid around £5, and there were sweets inside this. I didn't knew that for ages, you know, and my sister also got the same thing, and one day she told me, oh, there were sweets inside, would you like to try some? And I was like, really? I didn't know this. I'm gonna go ahead and check as well. So when I checked, there were like little tiny sweets in the packet, and it was good as well, and it was not expired, so I ate them all. But this one is cute. It's in pink color. It has a bow. She's wearing a pink dress. Isn't it cute? I just love Hello Kitty. She's so adorable. I forgot to do the laundry, guys. Seriously, I am so forgetful these days. I just can't believe myself. it's never too late, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry these outside. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I love you all. Bye.